Clear fuel line connected to that thing. It should work. It was pretty tight to get on there. Lots. 3, 2, 1. Okay, it almost just died there, but we're good. It almost just died. Oh, fuck. All right, well, back at it again. It's like, I think almost 1 p.m. Decided to pick up some hose from Canadian Tire. If you look under here, where is it? There it is. There's a clear fuel line connected to that thing. It should work. It was pretty tight to get on there, and it's connected. So let's see if it goes. Try to make sure it's there's something happening. I don't know what. Smell fuel. Oh. Looks filled right. Oh yeah. Start again. Let's try again. This time it's going to be pushed all the way in. 3, 2, 1. Beautiful! Alright, let's give this a ride before it runs out of fuel, because this thing goes through like crazy, dude. Alright, here we go. So much mouse shit in here. I think it's... the fuck? There we go. It goes! It lives! It fucking lives! Now, I don't think it's got very much fuel in it. Oh, I guess we can't really tell, can we? I just pulled it from the tank. I put a bunch in there. Now, I'm trying to figure out... Okay, third's all the way to the right. Let's try flicking on high. I don't know if it actually works or not. Oh, it's going. Oh. I think I'm dragging something. And I got no brakes. Like, absolutely none. Okay, well, a piece of the side there just fell off and was like scraping across the road, and it died like right in front of my neighbors. There's like 8 of them there. So, yeah, we're good though. Let's try kicking this into third. It's leaking a bit of fuel though, I can see. Okay, it almost just died there, but we're good. It almost just died. Oh, fuck. It's like, you can see it too. Like, it's just barely hanging on. I should probably cut that with a grinder. And we're dragging something else. I don't know what. So fucking cool. Okay, here we go. We're back on the road. I gotta cut this piece of shit off on the back so I can actually do it, but we're driving. It's actually driving pretty good. It's got no brakes though, absolutely none. Like zero. So that's why I'm not going too fast, but just driving is pretty cool. Well guys, the truck was running really good. And then I think the fuel line that we had to bend to you know, make it fit on our carburetor, I think it broke or something cracked or whatever. I don't know, but all I know is that I tried giving it some gas and it just died as soon as I gave it some proper gas. But I got to give it a good drive, and it drives good. Right there. Right. I think it looks like it's coming from that kink there. It's kind of hard to tell though. So, yeah, it's kind of a bummer. But hey, at least we got to drive it a really good distance just down the block and got a bunch of interesting looks from people. So, yeah, I would call this a success. I think it's even almost looks like it's leaking there too, but overall, major win this weekend. I call this an absolute win.